Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Planning Strategy for retirees. When people retire, dividend income can become an important part of their regular cash flow. However, the amount you receive is not always the same as the amount you keep. Taxes can reduce your real income, so proper planning helps retirees protect more of their money and make retirement income more predictable. First, start by looking at all your income sources together. This may include dividends, pension income, interest, rental income, retirement account withdrawals, and any one-time income. By knowing your total yearly income first, you can better understand how much tax pressure your dividends may create. Next, organize your accounts based on how they are taxed. Some accounts may be taxable every year, some may be tax-deferred, and some may have tax-free or tax-advantaged treatment depending on your country and account rules. This step is important because the same dividend may have a different tax result depending on where it is held. After that, understand your dividend tax rate. Retirees should check their marginal tax bracket and know whether their dividends receive lower tax treatment or regular income treatment. Since tax rules vary by country, account type, and personal situation, it is always better to check the rules before making big investment decisions. Then, use smart asset location. This means placing investments in the most suitable accounts to reduce unnecessary tax drag. For example, high-yield dividend assets may be better inside tax-advantaged accounts when possible, while more tax-efficient dividend stocks may fit better in taxable accounts. The goal is not only to earn income, but to keep more of it after tax. Moreover, focus on after-tax yield instead of only looking at the headline dividend yield. A stock may show a high dividend yield, but if the tax cost is high or the investment risk is too large, the final benefit may be lower. Sometimes a lower yield can be better if it creates more stable and tax-efficient income. In addition, retirees should manage income thresholds carefully. Extra dividend income, withdrawals, or asset sales may push total income into a higher tax range. So, spreading income across the year, timing withdrawals carefully, and avoiding unnecessary taxable events can help reduce surprises during tax season. Another useful strategy is to use losses and rebalancing wisely. In some tax systems, realized investment losses may help offset taxable gains where rules allow. At the same time, retirees should rebalance their portfolio with tax impact in mind, review dividend cuts, and avoid too much concentration in only a few high-yield stocks. Finally, build a retirement cash flow plan. Keeping 6 to 12 months of expenses in cash can reduce pressure to sell investments at the wrong time. A dividend calendar can also help retirees plan monthly income and match it with regular expenses. Reviewing the strategy every year with a tax professional can help keep the plan updated. A simple way to understand the impact is this: after-tax dividend income equals dividend income multiplied by 1 minus the tax rate. For example, if annual dividends are $12,000 and the estimated tax rate is 15%, the after-tax income becomes $10,200. So, the main idea is simple. Good planning today means more of your retirement income stays in your pocket. Instead of only chasing dividends, retirees should focus on tax efficiency, income stability, account selection, and long-term cash flow planning. This video is for general educational purposes only. Tax treatment depends on your country, account type, and personal situation, so always consider speaking with a qualified tax professional before making financial decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.